Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm really excited to try out another product from the brand Studio Makeup, and this here is their highlighter that I got in the shade Glow From Within. And I'm so excited because Studio Makeup recently sent me a PR box that I got this in, which I am so grateful for. So I like to give the disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free. So this was sent to me for free, I got it in PR, but this is not a sponsored video. I'm just really excited to try out more Studio Makeup products. I've tried out a couple products that I think I got in Ipsy, or maybe BoxyCharm as well, but I am really excited to try out more from this brand. So this highlighter, I got it in the shade Glow From Within, but it actually comes in 4 different shades. It retails for $19, and let's see how it looks. It's also cruelty-free. Oh wait, I was wrong. My shade is actually called Afterglow. But okay, first I'm gonna start out with a swatch. Ooh, nice texture. Oh, beautiful. So shiny and reflective. And this is not the lightest shade of the highlighter. I think this might be the medium shade of highlighter, which I'm really excited to wear because I have more of a tan right now for the summer. And I think this will be a really perfect shade, but also a beautiful shade to wear on the eyes. So here you can see that swatch. And so let's go ahead and see how it looks on my cheek. I'm just going to use the technique that I use every single day when I apply my highlighter, which is just to use my finger. I find that it blends the highlighter so nicely into the skin, and it helps to melt a powder highlighter into the skin. So let's see how this technique works. Seems to be working really nicely. Blends out really well. What do we think? That looks very pretty. And this right here is very subtle, natural. Like, it doesn't even look like I'm wearing a highlighter on my skin type of glow. Very pretty, but you know I want to amp it up a bit. So let's see how it layers. Definitely buildable. And I like that it has more of how I would describe as a glow metallic finish. It's not like a strip of glitter sparkle. So I like when it looks just more like natural radiance on the skin. Exactly like what this is giving me. That looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and add the glow to my other cheek. The shade is so glowy. Oh, I love this. I think this will be my new summer highlighter. Like, it looks so beautiful. So like sun-kissed, like a sun glowing on the skin kind of, because of that gold hue that it has. Oh, so pretty. I can't get over this. I want to also go ahead and apply it to the brow bone. Let's add some glow there. Oh, perfect. And so easy to apply and blend out. Just works great applying with my finger the way I like to apply highlighters. So yay, I love a quick, successful highlighter review. I am so pleasantly surprised by this shade. It's a different shade than pretty much every other highlighter I have in my collection because it's not the shade that I usually choose, but I think it is so perfect. It makes me question all of the shades of highlighter that I would typically go for and be like, wait, no, I don't need that icy highlighter. Maybe I need to go more towards the golden warm glow because I'm just loving how it looks. So if you've tried out the Studio Makeup highlighter, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. I would also be very curious to hear, what's your favorite shade of highlighter? Do you like a shade like this? Do you like more of like a pink, rose gold, an icy silver highlighter? I'm so curious to hear everyone's preferences. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.